Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ako po pala si Rosemary Nicole Edwidove. So, kakainin natin to, guys. Ito siya. Ang nakasulat dito sa kanya is strawberry kiwi milk candy. So, ilan na yung nabawas ko dito? 4 na bawas ko. So, ilan na lang to? 5 piraso na lang. Kasi pinaghalo ko tong strawberry and pineapple. Yung pineapple, 3 piraso. Kasi kinain ko na yung 2. Ay, 5 to eh. Kasi yung strawberry, 4 yung strawberry, 4. Tapos yung pineapple, 3. So, kinain ko na yung 2 ng pineapple kasi masarap yung pineapple siya, guys. Yan. Tapos, pinaghala ko sila. 5 na lang sila kasi nakain ko na yung 4. So, guys. Kunti na lang siya. Bibili ako mama bukas. Bibili na lang ulit ako bukas. Vlog ulit ako. Siya. Ayan. Siya, guys. Ito itsura niya. So, ngayon, magkakain na tayo. Malamang! So, ngayon, ano ba? Siyempre, kakain tayo. Ano pa bang gagawin natin? Siyempre, kotay tubig. Yung madami. Yung tubig natin. Dapat dito tayo. Guys. Guys, in-stop ko muna kasi lalagay ako ng tubig. Dito. Dito tayo. Ito yung tubig natin. Ayan yung tubig natin. Wala akong papers eh. So guys, so ito tayo yung tubig. Ganun muna natin lagay sa gilid. Kasi masikip. Tapos ito na siya. Sana halo-halo na siya kasi magkakapares lang sila. Pero magkaiba sila ng flavor. Pero milk kasi yung color nila. Kaya hindi natin alam kung ano yung strawberry and pineapple. Susunod bibiliin ko strawberry, pineapple, and Coca-Cola. May Coca-Cola rin nito, guys. So, let's eat. Ito yung pineapple. Ito yung pineapple, oh. Ito siya, guys. Yung ganito, oh. Pineapple siya. Ayan, pineapple. Siya, pineapple. Pineapple siya. Ito yan. Yung pineapple siya, guys. Ito, oh. Yung niya pala, pag may putos pala, ay yung flavor niya. Dami siya. Para lang siyang candy na matigas, pero dami talaga siya. Let's eat. Tingnan natin yung diktak sa yung flavor. Maano siya? Sobrang flavor niya. Ay, hindi pa masyadong flavor. Sakto lang. Flavor lang nito. Ang hirap niya, guys. Saksa. Kaya kung meron ganito sa tindahan ninyo, yan sa may mga tindahan nyo, so may tapat nyo dyan sa may labas dyan sa inyo. Kung meron nito, bumili na lang kayo nito hanggang to kung meron sa inyo yan. Kasi malayo pa to sa amin. Ay, dyan lang sa amin, pero malayo. Malayo kami sa inyo, okay? Yung iba siguro, kasi bautista kami, guys. Yung sana, ano naman, strawberry. Strawberry.
Alone inside, because most of the time, his defensive
Ay, pineapple pa din.
realizing that he's not much of a scoring threat. But you know for the fact that this guy can score, even way back in his U80 years.
Pineapple pa din siya, guys.
Struggling from the three-point range. Marcio on the push. Three-point shot early. Right now, that's Marcio.
Ubus na yung pineapple, sure ako strawberry na to.
CJ Perez, the one. Creating scoring looks earlier for Guadilla. Now for Dacin.
Strawberry na to. Strawberry na siya.
Pull-up jumper in and out. Barrientos' body was fouled. Referee's not agreeing.
Strawberry na nga. Yung pang-amoy ko, hindi ko talaga inamoy.
Alonso from the other side, still won't work.
Nilaan ko lang yun.
Goes to Stanton. He lays it up and in.
Ito guys, isa.
Turnover possession. Look away. Lots of shots. Sometimes when you're coming up a stop, that does not play into your usual perspective. Usual judgment of the time remaining. Sana nagpalit pa ng tao, ma-jumps on the target defense. Will he get it? No, he won't. Back down from Scotty. Enormo did not want the shot. Misses again. 10 minutes for Rosario. The fight is there for Barangay Ginebra. He wants to put General Bard as the ball screen defender.
Siya guys.
Tenorio locates Chapman. Aguilar. Layup is gone. And we begin as
Please.
Walker. Big block from JD Alonso. They get a stop. Stephen Holmes. Chapman. And he will bang it home. A strong start for Barangay Ginebra. Best possible start here for Ginebra. Defensive stop leading to an easy 2-point basket on the other end. From a high of 16, it is down to 7 for Sanidel. Giving SMB a dose of their movement. Here's the third quarter. June Bardo responds in kind as he hits one over the defense of Chapman. He took it as he had 3 personal fouls. Best that he can do, Logan came. And that was the
Last
trigger
one.
for June Bardo, the attackers. Yes. That they could score the first 2-pointer for the Pyramid in quarter. That's a 9-point lead for the San Miguel Pyramid handoff to Scotty. Pass to Rosario, 3-point shot is gone. Roy Rosario singing his second triple of the match. 3 of 17 after the first 2 quarters. 1 of 10 in the second quarter, but Rosario has already made 2 3-point baskets.
Ito pineapple siya. Pineapple.
Back to Bar again.
So, ano siya guys?
Time and again,
Yung ano, isa kong naano pala yung isa kong nakain.
will get the bounce.
Yun, strawberry yun. Tatlong strawberry, dalawang pineapple.
Bar was scored for the Risers. CJ comes up short of the layup. Bar saves the day. The unenviable task was trying to stay in front of Bar. That will not cut it from Raymond Aguilar. Fajardo, 8 third quarter points. Fajardo, 17 points.
Lang, bye-bye guys.
During the semis,
Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Bye, like and subscribe and comment.
Pass to the corner.
Ay, sorry. Bye-bye. Subscribe nyo na. Screen ko nyo na sa baba. Subscribe, please. Bye.